All right, today we have for you a heeled internal ID grinder. This is a model 273A. It's currently wired for 480 volts or 440 volts, anywhere in between there. This is an extended bed model. In other words, this has an additional length to the base of the machine from the standard unit. This is your workhead here and your workhead slide. This is movable with this hand wheel. Over here you've got a sine bar, partial sine bar set up. You could get the rest of the parts through heeled and through Starrett to take advantage of this. Also you have the adjustable stop. You could adjust this to 3 different positions when you're doing different diameters on a multi-diameter part. You got your swing down wheel guard. This currently has a 10 or 12-inch magnetic chuck on there. You can control the speed. It's a variable speed. Go down to slow or go back up. Down here we have a also an adjustable stop, indexable stop for the table slide. Here's your hand wheel for the table slide. So right now you see we're going under hydraulic power. Stop that, push this hand wheel in, and we can go under hand power. Now these grinders are known for their float. This whole section here is actually floating on a film of oil, as well as the wheel adjustment, the in-feed adjustment slide above it. So you've got hydrodynamic ways. This moves with very little to no friction at all. Generally, you can move these by hand. This thing has got to weigh 1,000 pounds, if not more. And when it's floating on the oil, it's very easy to move. This particular machine has a, well, I'll show you the in-feed. Once we turn this on, we start to in-feed here at our hand wheel. You can increase or decrease that feed here. And you have a fixed stop if you want to use it. And this will also go down to a fine feed to finish off your grind at a slower, a much finer micro feed. Then you also have your little hand thing here, so you can pump this in and out by hand. One of the nice features on this is that this also has a plunge grinding feature. Up here you've got your main start and your wheel head start, your work head, your coolant, and you have plunge feed. So we turn our plunge feed on. We can feed our hand wheel after we adjust whatever kind of a increment we want. And we don't have to have the table moving in and out for it to feed. That's a special feature. That's the plunge feed. We'll say you were inside of a bore right now and you wanted to just be able to grind down to the size. You can just set this up automatically so that it could do that. That's the plunge feed. And when we go in here, when you want to retract this, you can come out of here. Slide will go back to its home position. The workhead will stop. Now you can check your part. This is your swing down dresser with a diamond mounted here. This is what you would use to dress your stone. This is your guard. Protect yourself. And spindle. A little dirt in the belt. And that you have it. That's the spindle. That's the Heel 273A. Thank you very much.